Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Supreme Box mystery box. So this is the Halloween mystery box. It cost me $160. Kiki's going to do the honors to open the box. So this box is valued at $300 and some, but it was priced at $160. After tax, it was $172 or $176, something like that. But this box contains 13 items. Please help me. You keep doing your thing.
Okay.
So yeah, this box contains 13 items. He went ahead and opened it already. Don't show my address. Our address. So this is what it looks like. Oh. Okay. What do you know? It's the one I wanted. So I had cheated already. I went on Twitter and I saw what other people were getting for their mystery box. Oh my god, by the way, my brother's film Peaches just premiered. Yeah, it was so good. I cried. I'm such a crybaby. Every time I watch it, I cry. I cry all the time. Just wait till I get to release my vlog for that, you know, filming process. I'm a crier.
Who's gonna cry?
I cried a lot. So yeah, anyway, so it comes with a tracksuit. I got it in extra large. Hopefully it's an extra large. Yeah, it's an extra large, and hopefully it fits. I like the color. It's chartreuse. Ooh. Oh my god. So then we have all of this. What should we pull out first, Kiki?
Okay, so let's pull out. Ooh, what's this? What's on the bottom? What's on the way bottom? Oh, I know what that is.
Oh, look at that.
This is cute.
This is cute. This is the Jeffree Star Prom Night vinyl. It's cute.
And we have to buy
Now I need a record player.
a record player, yeah.
Yeah.
I've been wanting one forever.
Well, let's get one. I want the Amy Winehouse and the Blackout album.
Yeah.
So next
it's... What is this? What is this?
This is the Lippies.
Oh.
Which I had always wanted to buy them. I have the Blue Blooded collection for the Lippies, but now I have this one. This is the Love Me, Love Me Not collections, and I'm pretty sure these are all reds. Yes, they're all reds. Really pretty color. Really pretty reds. And these are all very high quality. I love his makeup. Like, my coworkers are like, they're like, why do you buy all this makeup if you don't even wear makeup? And I'm like, it's to collect it. It's like a collection that I'm building up. And it's only Jeffree Star. Like, his makeup is worth it. You know what I mean? Does it smell?
No. It doesn't have a smell.
Jeffree Star. But yeah, that's why I like his stuff. That's why I buy makeup, because I like his makeup.
You like his product?
I like his products. It's high quality stuff. It's worth the buck. So yeah, this is the Lippies. Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. Yes. And then we have a Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel Kiss. Ooh, let's see how this looks. I love highlighters. Oh, it's pretty. It's perfect shade for me. It's like a tannish mocha gold. Oh. It's very glittery, just like all his Supreme Frost. What do you think, Kiki?
Can I
See if I can see that. Can you guys see that?
This is pretty.
That's pretty. It's pretty pretty. Thanks. Thank you.
Now we have to match the other side. You've been touched by an angel, girl.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Okay, so that was the Supreme Frost highlighter. What else do we have?
Up next, it's the Venus Flytrap.
Ooh,
Color.
pretty color. So this is the Venus Flytrap.
Is that the name? I'm playing. I don't know.
Yeah, Venus Flytrap. Velour liquid lipstick. Let me pull it out of its box. So this is it here. It's like a greenish, milky green color. Kind of like Starburst in a way. Let's put it on. I need a mirror.
Hold on. This one comes in the box.
A mirror!
A mirror.
I just got I'll lower my teeth. Okay, pull that out. Let's check out the mirror, guys. What do you know?
What do you know? You need a mirror, and I got a mirror.
Thank you. You always come in handy. Do you need help?
They sealed this. They didn't really want this to break.
High quality.
Yeah. Oh, it goes like this. But it opens like this. Oh.
Ooh, my first Jeffree Star mirror.
Welcome to his channel. Oh my god, it's cute.
Oh, it's nice. It's pretty. Okay. Ew. What do I have on my lips?
You didn't even finish.
No. Let's put it on. Really good coverage. I love it. But I don't like the color. Maybe on the eyelids, actually.
You can use it in your eyes.
Yeah. All his products are
Cool.
eye safe.
Oh. Are you gonna overdraw your lip?
Nah.
Like Kylie? Does it smell?
Uh-uh.
It looks like an avocado color.
Yeah. You can go to the next shade.
So there's also another one. And this one is Zombie Kiss. Oh, this one's nice. I was looking forward to seeing this one.
Oh, it's the purple one.
Yeah. I don't know how to open his things.
To the bottom.
Break your stuff. So. I think you should open it.
Okay, so this is Zombie Kiss. Sambatarka Ishnebrym. Sambatarka. You know, like in a life size?
Yeah.
You know? Oh, pretty. Look at that. That's really pretty. Oh my god, it's so new. That sounds so good. let's pop a little bit of this purple on the lips. Just to...
Using your Jeffree Star mirror.
Using my Jeffree Star mirror, we're going to apply this Zombie Kiss on the lips right above Venus Flytrap. This one has a scent.
Does it? It smells.
Smells like frosting. Alright?
That's a beautiful color. I can't really smell it. So maybe
Smell the brush. Smells like... Hurry, it's gonna dry.
Oh, it kind of does.
Okay, give it to me. It's gonna dry.
Sorry.
I'm trying to like blend this out before it dries. That's not cute. It didn't work how I wanted it to work. Anyway.
Let me sing.
No.
Let me sing.
I'm just meshing them together now.
I wanted to sing. Did you look
When
like
you
a
mesh them
zombie?
together, you look
like
like
a zombie. So, zombie kisses.
let's give you zombie kisses, y'all. So that was Zombie Kiss. It's a nice purple, but on top of the other one, it makes a nice gray, green purple, you know?
It is a beautiful color.
And then Zombie Kiss has glitter, right?
Let's see.
Yeah, it has glitter.
Here you go.
What? Is this a new one?
No.
Oh. Ooh. And then we have Yummy, and this is a lip ammunition. Let's open this up. It looks like a lavender, a very light purple color. So this is the bullet here. Stop focusing on my face, yo. My settings are off today, sorry guys. But yeah, this is a purple shade. Can I put it on you? It looks like it could be a topper.
It looks too light. I don't think
Nice
it'll...
filter. Oh, it's just the topper. It's like a gloss looking. It's not a gloss, but like it's for whenever you don't want to put anything on and you just put it on your lips and it gives it glitter. That's what this is, you know? Really pretty. Or you can use it as a topper. Next we have a pencil in Dirty Money. Wow.
What color is it?
It's like a green, a greenish, like a dollar bill green. You know?
Yeah. Oh, be gentle.
Well, I'm still gonna rip it anyway. I'm still gonna throw it away. So it's like a greenish type. I'm sorry if it's not focusing. It's not gonna focus. But it's a greenish type of color. Goes on like butter. But you know, it's like the dollar bill type thing. My camera's dying. We need to do this quick. Moving on. What's next?
To something he has never done before.
Oh.
Jeffree Star in a mystery box.
Oh my god, what has he never done? Tell me what he has never done, Kiki.
The best part of this box.
What is it?
Besides,
Pull it out.
it comes in this little wrapping paper.
Ooh, what is that?
I wonder what it is. I think you should do honor.
Okay, I'll do the honors for this one before the battery dies. So let's open it up, guys. Oh my god, what do you know? It's a mini breaker palette. Sorry if I don't sound surprised. So this is like the mini break your palette. Comes with a mirror and shades. It comes with shades. Comes with 9 shades. You got your purples and pinks and oranges and golds and muted colors. The names are Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, Oral, Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, Bite Me, and Hot Fudge.
Ooh.
Next item.
The best part of the box, because this is for me.
Oh, what is that?
So, it's the lip scrub. And I don't know what the flavor is.
Cucumber lime.
Oh, cucumber lime. Oh, it is. No, cucumber mint.
Cucumber mint.
I don't know how to open it.
Cucumber mint. Cucumbery minty.
I like it smells refreshing.
Taste it. Dip your finger. Hard. Yes, it's hard. There you go. Try it.
What one can I lick it?
Oh, lick it.
I don't know, it's edible.
It's edible.
I know.
It's really good, actually.
And then
aftertaste. And then we
I got
have
a straw.
a straw. Camera died, so now we're filming on my phone. So now we have the last one, which is the straw, and it comes with a
thingy to clean the straw.
a straw cleaner. Well, guys, that's it for today's mystery box. If you like this mystery box, leave a comment down below. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And that way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. See you later. Bye.
Show us. Show us. Show us. Woo! The luck. The luck. The luck. The luck.
Get out of here.